All right, sixth graders, today is Friday, September 25th, and our topic is going to be reincarnation. Going off of our lesson yesterday about Hinduism in the Indus Valley. This is the Explore video, so you should be on the page that says Explore, Reincarnation, and the caste system. We're going to be talking about both reincarnation, which means being reborn into a new body, and that was a Hindu belief. And then we're going to be talking about the caste system too, because they have a lot to do with each other. So, Indian social structure is called the caste system. That is how they organize their society, and it is very, very strict. There's only one way you can change castes. You have to die and be reincarnated. So pause the video now to make sure you have all of these notes. Take a look at the social pyramid and think about who is on top in this pyramid. You should know that the most important people were known as the Brahmins, which were the priests and the academics. The second most important group of people were the warriors and kings. The third most important people were the businessmen. The fourth most important people were the servants. And lastly, there was a group of people called the untouchables. The untouchables were a special group of people that we're going to find out more about in the next video. So, this is a graph of the reincarnation cycle. The reincarnation cycle starts with life, and then that person dies. And if you had good karma, you will go to a higher caste. But if you have bad karma, you will be going to a lower caste. Karma is when you do something good, good things happen, and when you do something bad, bad things happen. So people in this system believe that if you lived a life where you did a lot of good things, then you got good karma. And so what that would mean is you would go up to the next caste when you were reincarnated. So for reincarnated, it says your soul goes into a new body in either a higher or lower caste, depending on if you had good karma or bad karma. There's only one way out of the cycle. You have good karma for many lives, and you reach enlightenment. For the next part of this lesson, you're going to write a response. There's no right or wrong answer. You just need to create an argument with your opinion. Hindus believe if you have good karma, you are born into a higher caste. If you have bad karma, you are born into a lower caste. This all depends on how you live your past lives. Do you think this is fair, and why or why not? So it's up to you to decide whether you think the system is fair or not. And you're going to start by choosing that. Make sure you restate as your first sentence. Your restate should look something like this. I believe the system of reincarnation is, and then you choose your personal opinion. Choose whether you think it's fair or unfair. Go ahead and finish writing the remainder of this paragraph. This will be looked at by your teachers.